Hello everyone, FCI result is already out. The result which you were anticipating for a very long time is already out in the official website. You can access the link given in the description box, and also if you have enrolled yourself in our public telegram channel, if you are a member of our public telegram channel, I think you were among the first candidates to get the information that FCI result is already out. More than that, many subscribers of my channel have already made it to final selection, and if you ask about my result, I have been put under the waiting list category. You know that I have applied from the East Zone, and in East Zone there are very few vacancies, and I think there were 10 vacancies in under EWS category. I applied under EWS category, and my marks are 70.25. You can check my marks. I'll post it in my official Telegram channel. And my dear friends, I don't know I'll be selected or not, but anyways, if I have been put under waiting list category with those less number of vacancies, you can understand that you can rely on studentfarmayish YouTube Telegram channel. We have already started an initiative of 299 rupees where you will be provided with test series. Along with that, you will be added in a private Telegram channel. You will be given specific targets. We don't post questions like 5,000 questions and simplification and all those nonsense stuff. We only publish those questions which are relevant, which are asked under the examinations based on latest pattern. So I wish I could have made it to final selection directly, but anyways, I have made under the I've been put under waiting list category. I'm happy for that. I'm happy for my subscribers who made it to final selection. Anyways, this could have been my 5th government job straight away, but whatever God does, it happens for our own good. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Shaba khair. Level 1 share ka bilkul dhyan rakhiega. Take care. Bye bye.